Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your account on Unibet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in unibet.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Unibet website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, then click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then proceed with using your credentials to log in. Now once you log into your account, if you haven't already verified your account, you will see a notification telling you to get it verified. Just click on the Get Started option and this will take you into the verification page. Now the first step is to provide the proof of identity. So click on Proof of ID and then you can choose either your driving license, your national ID card or your passport in order to verify your identity. Now you can click on Select File and upload your selected document and then simply click on the Submit button. Once this step is completed, you will need to complete step 2, which is to upload your proof of address. Click on the appropriate option and follow the same steps of uploading your proof of address. Once you upload both of these documents, you will simply need to wait for the review to be passed. So check for the verification confirmation email within the email address that you used to sign up for Unibet, and it can take up to 48 hours. Once your account has been verified, you will receive a notification within your email, and now you can enjoy the full services of the Unibet platform. And there you have it. That is how you can verify your account on Unibet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.